How to stop people tagging me on Facebook. So if you want to turn off tag on Facebook, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. And from here, you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of tag. Tap on profile and tagging, and here you will have an option of allow others to share your post to their stories. If you want, then you can turn it on. Or here under tagging and implied mentions, you can see who can see post you're tagged in on your profile. So if other people has tagged you, and if you don't want those tags to be visible on your profile, you need to go with that option and then tap on only me. After that, go with the second one and then go with only me and save. And under reviewing, you need to turn on the option of review tags people add to your post before the tag appears on your Facebook. After that, now once a person tag you on your Facebook, you will get a review of if you want to hide that from your profile or if you want to show it on your profile. You can select the option, and in this way you'll be able to stop people tagging from your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.